This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Suzanne Sussman, relocation and luxury home specialist. Live your best life in this incredible 2-bedroom 2-bath updated rental in the heart of Delray Beach. Complete with an inside laundry room. Enjoy your morning coffee on a large screened-in patio, overlooking a picturesque lake view. Fabulous community and amenities. Enjoy morning walks around the lake. Just a stone's throw from the clubhouse, gym, pool and SPA. You'll have so many restaurants and shops to choose from, all within a short walk or bike ride. Easy access to Delray's world-class beach and RENOWED downtown area, with more superb shops and dining options. Commuting anywhere is a breeze with easy access to I-95 and TRI rail. Don't let this one pass you by. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzanne Sussman, relocation and luxury home specialist at 561-981-9597.